Puru Joshi, right?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Interesting name.
Named after a king.
Uh, so what does it mean of Puru?
It means I was named after a king who defeated Alexander the Great. सिकंदर को जिसने हराया था.
Okay. Puru, tell me about yourself. What Puru Joshi is all about.
Um, Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Puru Joshi. I'm pursuing my B.Tech from Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies. And I've worked on projects like vehicle tracking system, SaaS applications using technology such as handlebars, Supabase, Cloudflare workers, and KV for edge deployments in the field of web development.
Okay. Tell me more in detail what learning you have received so far, what your achievement is all about.
Okay. I've worked on projects like vehicle tracking system where basically you use a GPS device which sends data to the
Be
server and
louder. Puru, be louder.
yes, sir. Mm. We use a GPS device which sends data to the server and server collects it and organize it according to the vehicle device number and vehicle name. Then that data is shown on the dashboard where you can see overspeeding, last active, GPS off, and you can track all the overspeeding points from particular dates.
Yes, Puru. So, are you doing any kind of internship currently, or
Yes,
what? Currently,
yes,
what you are doing?
currently in Indore and I'm working in a company which develops visitor management systems.
Okay, you are already working in a company.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, which company you are working?
Zipper Links Private Limited, Indore.
Zipper Links.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what kind of work you are doing over there? Are you in internship or you are in a full-fledged
Uh,
job?
current, Currently, I'm in internship and it's not official yet, but I've received that I'm going to be placed here.
Okay. What internship?
And
What stipend they are paying?
they're paying 10,000 currently.
10,000. Okay. And how big this company is? Is it a small startup or how many employees they have?
The company is in top 32 startups of Cloudflare. Like Cloudflare uses all the security and the company is part of top 32.
And how long you are in Indore?
I don't know, sir. I'm staying at my brother's place.
No, no, no. How many months you are in Indore? You have recently went over there or what basically?
No, last time I went when in January when sixth semester or fifth semester was over. That time I went for 20 days. Then I came to college, and now it's been more than a month. I
More
came
than
for
you
25
recently
days.
started your internship. How it is going?
No, I didn't start my internship recently. I was working in hybrid mode. I started internship way back in December.
Okay, you have started early, but you are working
Uh,
hybrid. Now
yes,
you
sir.
joined the company as an intern, that is physically from
Yes,
last
sir.
last
I'm
month.
working. Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between hybrid and the physical internship? Is there any kind of difference you found it?
So, in hybrid mode, I usually it's less interactive, and that they tell me what I need to do, and at the end of the week, I submit what I've done. But when I'm physically here, I can ask any queries, and I don't feel shy physically present here, so I can ask anything if I'm stuck somewhere. And
Okay.
on
In
hybrid
which
mode,
technologies,
makes
what
it
kind of
really fun.
languages you know, Puru?
I know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and there's this language that is used on Cloudflare for edge deployments. That's basically JavaScript, a little bit modified. It's not Node, but closer to Node. It's used for server-side scripting.
Okay, so
Similar.
you want to go in the field of software development, right?
Yeah, I want to go in the field of web development and security,
Security. What does it
web
mean of
security.
security?
To protect your applications website from unauthorized users, unauthorized access.
Okay. And how many employees you are having in your that organization where you are doing internship?
I currently am in contact with like 10 people. I don't know the whole employee
Okay,
count.
almost most of them are working in the hybrid mode.
Most of them are working from their homes, so I don't know how many employees are there.
How you are managing in at Indore? Is your brothers
Yes,
living over there?
I'm at my brother's place, so I usually
He's
travel
also
using.
into the IT company.
Yes, he works for a different company in Pune.
Okay, so he is also working in the remote mode.
Yes, he's in remote mode
Okay,
from
at
I
Indore.
think way back lockdown. He's been remote. Sometimes he goes.
So what motivates you to go for computer science engineering? Because there are many branches available in engineering. Why computer science?
Um, as a child, I've always been fascinated with computers and games. I wanted to actually do game development, but since I'm here, I'll try everything that's available. But the scope of game development is limited. You don't
Okay,
usually get
developer
hired,
scope is limited, but it is not. If somebody has the desire and the will, they can get the job
but
into
they'll,
game development also.
but they'll need to leave their parents behind and go to foreign countries where there's more
You don't
need
want
for
to leave
game
your
devs.
parents. You want to be there in Udaipur and then you want to work.
Yes, sir. What I want is that I'm not restricted by time to do anything. I've given the task and complete it, but I don't like to report on this time and do this, sit there, stare at screen. I like to work, but I don't like when they're forcing me to do something. It's more like
Is your
strict
first
or
internship, Guru, or have you done any internship before that also?
no, this is my first internship.
Okay, and from almost a year you are doing it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you got any benefit out of it?
Yes, sir. I've learned many tech stacks, and most important, I've learned about security. Like forms on the websites are there. If you input any malicious script, sometimes they are not validated, or that can go to database. And I learned that AI can't do your work. It can do most of the work, but I don't think it can
AI can
take over.
replace all the computer science developer or they cannot. It cannot.
AI can replace beginner developers, but I don't think AI can replace experienced ones because there's something you tell AI to do this, write this code, it will write without any errors. But it will not perform validations or check if you don't tell it so. And you'll never know you need to validate the input for that. If name field is given and somebody writes a number, usually what AI has given you will allow that, but at backend you need to sanitize it, whether it could be a script that could clear your whole database.
Okay. Somebody told me that the DevOps engineer cannot be replaced by AI, but the developer can be replaced by AI. Is it correct?
No, I don't know about DevOps, but I do
DevOps
know
is
that
all about development, or it is more than that or less than that also.
it is more like management of servers, load balancers and stuff,
It's
and
not
I don't know
development.
about that. Load balancing, and in the company we are using serverless tech stack where rather than a central server, data is divided on points, and every point is like a server. If that goes down, another node can deliver the content.
Okay. My last question, Puru, what do you understand by IoT?
Internet of Things does
What does
all
it mean?
comprises of all the things that are connected to the internet and makes a network like smart devices, Siri, Alexa, and GPS devices are also considered under IoT because they are connected to the internet. They take the data, then process on it, and finally user is shown what what was the output. Like health
Okay.
meters, health watches, they collect data and show that how was your sleep and everything.
Okay, what will be a one-line answer if somebody want to become a good developer? What are the best way to become a good developer?
The best way to become a good developer is to try consistently and learn from your mistakes. Rather than using AI tools, at beginner level, you should avoid AI tools and use them for redundant work. Like if you know a language and don't know the other, but you have the code for your language and want to convert it for other, you can use AI. And if you want to map Excel sheets or do something and convert them into one form or another, use AI.
Good, Puru. Nice talking to you. You have seems confident guy, right? Apart from your long hairs, everything is good. It's good. We always like
About my long
to
hair, when
interact
I
with
was in
those kind
first
of
year,
candidates who are confident and who is doing something good in their area, right? That I want from each and every student of any branch. It's not about computer science, because three things important for an engineer. One is the hands-on learning. Second is to explore yourself into your domain area where you want to go and do study well. If these three things are fulfilled by any candidate, then he can get anything, whatever he want to achieve. So that is good. Seems confident, and presentation is also good.
thanks,
So
sir.
nice interacting with you, right, Puru? I like
Thank
the way you have presented yourself.